Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up application for your earbuds Jabra Elite Active 65T on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to search. Click on search line and write Jabra. Now search. And you should install this application. Now open it. Hello. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.